In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your NerdWallet account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to nerdwallet.com. Once the website loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login before moving forward, since account closure is a permanent action and should only be done from the account you actually want to remove. Take a moment to confirm that you're fully signed in and that the page has finished loading properly so you don't miss any menu options. After you're logged in, look for your profile icon, which is usually located near the top area of the website. Click on that icon to open your account menu. From the available options, select Settings. This will take you to the section where your account preferences and personal account controls are managed. If the page takes a second to load, just wait until all options appear clearly before continuing. Inside the settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is important because the account closure option is not usually placed near the top with the more common settings. Keep scrolling until you find the red link labeled Close My Account. Since this option is designed to stand out, the red color helps identify that it's a serious account action. Before clicking it, make sure you're ready to proceed, because this step is intended for users who no longer want to keep their account active. When you're ready, click the Close My Account link. A confirmation prompt should appear asking you to verify your decision. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental account closures, so read the message carefully. If you're sure you want to continue, click Yes, Close My Account. Once you do that, your request will be submitted and the account closure process will begin. If the site redirects you or shows a confirmation message, that's a good indication that the action was accepted successfully. It's also a good idea to wait a few moments and avoid refreshing the page during this final step, just to make sure everything processes smoothly. And that's it. That's how to close your NerdWallet account using Google Chrome.